Hi guys, welcome to Daiwik. My name is Daiwik, and today I'm going to tell you about Pakistan with my friend, my world. Let's open my world right now.
Hello, and welcome to my world. Select
Hello.
the function button to begin.
Okay, I will choose. Let's choose the capital and country. Do you know the capital of Pakistan? Let's see. I think it's like Islamabad. Yeah, Islamabad. Let's see if it's right.
Let's learn about Pakistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Its capital city is Islamabad.
Yay! I'm correct. So the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Now let's see where's the flag of
Let's
Pakistan.
learn about each country's national flag. Press the flag to hear the name of the country.
What does the Pakistan flag look like? Now that Pakistan needs to be in Asia, so it's right here. So, hey, I think it's like this one, right? The green moon, stars, the green color, white.
Press the flag to hear the flag of Pakistan.
Yay! I did it again. Now let's see the population of Pakistan. I think it's like, I'm just guessing, but I think it's like around 194 or something like that.
Let's learn about each country's population. Pakistan has a population of around 195 million people.
It's saying 195 million. I said 194 million, but it's okay. It's just 1 million down. Up. I mean. Okay, now let's see what's the language of Pakistan. I think it's Urdu and English.
Country to hear. Let's learn about each in Pakistan. Urdu and English are the main languages, but there are many other regional languages.
Yeah. Yeah. I did the correct again. Oh yeah. But there's more religious languages than Urdu and English. Let's see the language.
Press the name of the country to hear. Let's learn about the important
Pakistan.
Noor Mahal.
Noor
Noor
Mahal.
Mahal is a palace built in Bahawalpur, Pakistan.
A palace built in Bahawalpur, Pakistan. Cool! Noor Mahal, but in India says Taj Mahal. Wow. I like. Now let's see what the fun fact about Pakistan in this my world.
Let's learn some fun facts of each. Did you know that Pakistan is the world's first Islamic country to attain nuclear power?
Pakistan is the first Islamic country to contain nuclear power. Wow! Nuclear power. So rough power. Now I'm going to
Press the
get.
name of the country to hear.
Bye-bye. Turn off. Now I'm going to give you some more facts about Pakistan. This is fact number 1. Do you know Pakistan has a rich diversity, encompasses a rich diversity of landscapes. And it has a section of the ancient Silk Road and the Khyber Pass. Pakistan is experienced for military coups and religion. For like military coups, like it's something military uses, and then the religion. You know what religion is, right? Oh my. Okay. The next fact is in the south of Kumar River, the Suleiman Range, that means like it's a mountain range, a Suleiman Range is a mountain range, runs in a roughly north-south direction. So like north-south direction is like vertical, but in the edges is like rough. So if you want to climb a mountain in Suleiman Range, it would be a lot of work because it's rough. Like for example, mountain climbers will need lots of more energy to climb that mountain range. Okay, so these are all the facts I researched. Please subscribe, ring a bell, see you next time. Bye!